know if you can get that, but here comes the president's copter. And all that jazz is flying by there. I don't know if you can get that. And also an Osprey. And I've never seen one of them. Just what the hell they doing with an Osprey. But they got an Osprey. And the president's copters, there they go. He's gonna go get him. Down in Hyde Park. Take him back to his airplane. There they go. There they all three of them right there.